Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making an orange flavored heart cake. You will need 4 small eggs and 1 teaspoon of Venetian orange and vanilla extract and half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And you will also need 1 full cup of flour, 1 full cup of granulated sugar and half a cup oil. You could use any measuring tools, but I've used a glass. If you're using free-range eggs, use 3 eggs only. Since they're larger and I'm using smaller eggs, I've used 4. Crack open them into a large mixing bowl. Add sugar, and using a hand beater, beat them all together. As and when you beat, you'll find the color changing gradually from yellow to white, and the consistency getting fluffier. The more you beat the egg, the more softer, fluffier, and spongier your cake will be. Next, add salt. Then I'm adding vanilla extract and orange extract. So I'm sifting the flour and the baking powder together to avoid any lumps in my batter. I'm adding in half a cup of olive oil in it, but if you want you can add butter in it too. 3/4 of a butter stick should be fine. Next I'm adding milk. Beat the whole mixture together. Next I'm using a heart-shaped silicone mold, oiled and dusted with flour. Pour the batter into the mold and even it out. Next, boil water to make a water bath. Pour the hot water into a roast tray. Put the silicone mold into the water bath and make sure it's submerged halfway through. Whilst you do all of that, preheat your oven. Put the mold along with the water bath into the oven. Let it bake for minimum 30 to 45 minutes. This is how your cake should look once it's completely baked. If you want, you can use a toothpick to check if it's completely cooked or not. Once cooked, leave it for 3 hours minimum to cool. Then slice the cake into 3 equal parts. Next, I'm using a Lazy Susan for frosting. I'm using Elm Lee's double cream for frosting. Empty 2 double creams into a mixing bowl. Next, add flavorings. And then 4 tablespoons full of icing sugar. Whip them all together. Make sure your double cream is cold enough to hold shape. It doesn't need to be frozen, just cold enough in the refrigerator to hold up. Once your double cream is ready, it will start to peak at the bottom. Now I'm frosting the first layer of my cake. frosting the second layer of my cake. Now the third layer. Now I'm evenly distributing the cream all over the cake. I'm using a flat spike nozzle to decorate the cake. Putting the piping bag into a glass makes it easy to fill up the piping bag with cream. Next, I'm adding yellow color. I'm decorating the cake into a basket. Now that I've finished frosting the entire cake, I will be decorating it with some cherries and silver pearls. You can decorate it to anything you want. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.